Hey guys, welcome to your channel. For this video, we are going to talk about the Brevo CRM or the Brevo Customer Relationship Management. So this platform provides features for sales pipeline management. So we are going to focus on that one. But before that, I'm going to show you first the pricing. So right here on the pricing, we have here the free plan. Okay, so here we don't have to pay for anything, and then right here everything is free. So all we have to do here is to simply sign up. And for the starter plan, we have $9 per month, and then everything in free plus these features. And then we also have the business and then the enterprise. So if you would like to sign up for these plans, just click on the sign up button. But for this video, we are going to use the free plan. So you just have to simply click on the sign up option. And then right here, we can sign in with our Google account or create an account. Okay, as you can see right here, this is our dashboard. So let me just go back to my home page first. Okay, so right here under your homepage, you'd be able to see here your calendar. You also have here the segment contacts, and then you can also create a sign up form. Right here, you have your contacts, and then the new contacts over the last 30 days. You can also go here and find more ways to grow our business. Okay, so right here, all we have to do now is to simply click on the deals option. This one under the conversations. So right here, we can create a custom pipelines. Okay, so deal management, define your own pipeline stages and get a 360 views of your deals at a time. Right here, you can save hours with automation, sales automation, minimize repetitive tasks with easy to set automations and get more time to close deals, then never miss a follow-up. So task management, use tasks to keep track of your sales activities with our reminder system. Okay, then right here when you scroll up, you can turn your contacts into customers. So here we just have to simply click on create our first deal. Okay, so when we click on the first deal, this page will open right here. So deals pipeline. So right here we have the cards and the list. So the purpose of the deals pipeline in a CRM system like Brevo CRM is to help business track and manage their sales process from start to finish. So let me just choose an action for this one. So we can add a task, add a note, or send an email. But when we click on this one right here, we can actually customize this one, of course, because that was a pre-deal. So we have to customize this one, or we can also create a new deal. Okay, so before creating a new deal, I'm just going to show you on how we can customize this deal. So for this deal details, we have here the names. For example, I'm just going to type out example, and then you can type out right here the amount, and then here you can choose a close date. For example, September 30, 2024. Then after that, just click on confirm. And then right here, just have to, you can also click on the last updated date, but we can access or edit this attribute. So here we can also choose the created at. So we just have to leave this one as it is. Then after that, we just have to simply click on save after the display all attributes is set. Okay, and for the associated companies, so if you don't have an associated companies right here, we can actually customize this one by clicking on the pencil icon. So this one right here, we can manage the associated companies. Okay, and then right here for this stage, when we click on the stage, as you can see right here for this stage of this deal is new. So if you would like to move this one to qualifying, demo scheduled, or a negotiation, you just have to simply click on the change and then choose your stage. Then once you've done that, as you can see right here, we are now on stage 5/6. Okay, so since this is a new deal, so of course we are going to choose new for this one. And then for the history, we have here the note created. So this is a note example, so we can actually customize this one and then add here our own note. So to do that, just click on the edit option right here, and then just type out your own note, and then just click on save note. Then right here we have our deal activity and then the deal created. Okay, so once you're done, you will then just have to simply exit this one. Okay, so let me just go back right here, and as you can see right here, if you would like to move this deal to another stage, you just have to click on it and drag it to another stage. For example, this one, we can transfer it to pending commitment, or it's already in a negotiation stage, or a won. So if you would like to mark this deal as won, you will then just have to type out right here the close date, and then the amount, and then the close won reason. So this one is optional, but you can also type out right here the reason. And if this deal is lost, so you can type out right here the close date, the reason for the lost, and then here if you would like to add additional comment, then you can do that as well. So let me just put it right here at the first step. Now if you would like to create a new deal, so you just have to simply click on this one right here at the top right. So you just have to type out right here the associate deal to contacts. So you just have to choose your contacts, and then right here the associate deal to companies. Next one is the deal name, the deal stage, and then of course the amount. So say for example maybe $500 or 500 USD. Okay, and then after typing out here your amount, here is the close date. So for example maybe September 4 or September 1. Okay, and then here to create a task, so we can choose to do, and then here we have due date and the time, and then after that just simply click on save. Now the deal has been created. So right here, if you would like to make some changes or you would like to transfer it to another stage, you just have to press and hold that specific deal and then transfer it to another stage. And if we are to go here in the task section, we'll be able to see here all of our tasks. And then going back to the deal section, let me just choose an action for this one. So right here, we can also add a task, add a note. We can send an email, mark as won or mark as lost. Okay, so here if we are to create a task, we can change the name of the task or the task type, and then the due date, and then the time. And if we would like to set a reminder for this one, or if we want to toggle the switch on for the task priority, so you just have to click on it and click on create. So by using a deals pipeline, businesses can organize the sales effort, prioritize leads, improve efficiency, and of course, analyze performance. And to sum it up, the deals pipeline helps businesses optimize their sales strategy, close more deals, and increase revenue. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.